In this video, we're going to go over the web developer job opportunity. So in the previous videos, we went over the marketplace, what you can expect as far as the growth potential. In this particular video here, we're going to go over the different types of responsibilities, the different types of job opportunities that are out there for the actual web developer. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So web developers are ultimately responsible for creating websites as well as maintaining them, right? So they're going to be the ones that are coming in there doing the website design, doing the actual building. And then after the website has been built, there's going to be some sort of maintenance, right? Especially with working with clients directly. If you're doing some freelancing, or perhaps maybe you've done some freelancing, you know that there's a little bit of maintenance to be done to the website. And you can oftentimes charge that as a one-time fee on an annual basis, or you can perhaps charge on a per hour basis where you have the website that is complete and then you deliver that to the client, and then there's some sort of maintenance fee that you want to charge them to make sure that their website is up to date. You know, let's say you're working or have been working with WordPress, right? There's always latest versions of WordPress that need to get updated, and oftentimes, you know, there are certain bugs that come in with that or certain plugins that need to be updated. And so there's oftentimes going to be some maintenance work on the back end. And so that's something to keep in mind. And then if you're looking to get a job as a web developer, then employers are often looking for front-end developers. And so these individuals are those that essentially focus on building the user-facing visual parts of a website, right? And then the website administration, maintaining, backing up, and updating existing websites for an organization. So in another lesson, we're going to walk through the various forms of developers, because we have like the front-end developers, back-end developers, and then the full stack developers. And we'll walk through those in another lesson. However, just want to give you an overview here of what the different types of job opportunities you're going to be having in the actual real world, right? You're either going to be able to work with clients where you're actually building out websites for them, and then you're oftentimes maintaining them on a per hour basis, or like on a monthly or annual basis, where, you know, essentially going in there and updating different pages, different content, right? However you want to set that up. Or if you are working with a, you know, actual company, right, and your employee, you're typically going to be doing a lot of front end stuff depending on what you focus on. So that's typically what you can expect with, you know, either or, whether you're working for an organization or you're doing some freelancing. So whether you're just starting out your professional web development career, or, you know, already have some experience, the opportunities here as a web developer are essentially endless, right? Because we have all different forms of types of developers here: front-end developer, web app developer, web designer, web integrator, all of these different ones that are essentially in the web developer space. And we'll walk through the different types of web developers in another lesson as well. I just want to give you an overview here, but the average salary for a front-end developer in the US is about $108,000 per year. Now, they are typically proficient in various front-end development languages, and we're going to walk through, like I said, in another lesson, the differences between a front-end, back-end, and a full-stack developer. But this is just more giving you an overview of the different types of opportunities out there in the marketplace, and then what you're typically going to be doing, either working with clients or, you know, working within an organization, and then some potential here as far as the salary. So that's going to be here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.